What's up, YouTube? How you doing today? Now I have this here. This is the carton though. This is it. This is the way it came. For those of you that have been complaining about lightning in your video, and guess what? This is cheap. So let's start from beginning. This is the way I unsealed it. There is nothing much because it's just something you just open. That I'm switched to a lamp holder, but I bet you this is so bright that you don't really have to put it so close to you. I'm telling you, this is the LED light that I've been using for all my YouTube videos. Check it out. You see how bright they've been. I'm talking about the ones I record myself. Okay, now this LED light, one thing I love about it is that it's not rechargeable. You don't get I have up to 6 rechargeable lights here. I regret it till I got this. Man, guys, this is amazing. I mean, because when I started using it, my video started being so damn bright. I was asking myself, where have I been, man? Where have you been? That's why I asked her, though I call her my baby. Now it comes in screw and also comes in pin. This LED light doesn't consume a single energy. Remember, it's a LED light. It doesn't consume any energy, and it's a year warranty with 80% eco-safe power. Can you just believe that? And so bright. Okay, I think, guys, you should go for this. Very cheap, $18 for one. $18. But besides, I'll be giving out these 4 of these. Let me make, yeah, 4 of these. I'll be giving out for free. I'll be giving out to my subscribers though for free. So comment below if you need those LED lights, then I will send it to you for free. Okay, thank you so much for being my subscriber. Thank you so much for being there as always. All my subscribers, I appreciate you. For you that have not subscribed, please, I have so much to give out. I have so much to give you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the like button and share what I do. Okay, thank you so much. Bye, see ya.